How to share Google Drive files to other people. Hello everyone and welcome to TikToks. If you want to share Google Drive files, photos to other people, open your Google Drive. Make sure you are logged into right account and the file is uploaded to Google Drive. If you don't know how to upload files on Google Drive, watch our previous video from eye icon located on top right hand side of your screen. So once you upload file in Google Drive, here on right hand side of the file, you will find this three dot icon. So tap on it. And then you will see this kind of pop-up. Here tap on share. And then you will see this kind of page. Here simply enter the email address of the people whom you want to share the file with. And after typing the email address, here right below it you will find this editor icon. So tap on it and select the permission that you want to give to the people. Here you can let them be editor, viewer or commenter. So simply select any. And then tap on this send icon located on top right hand side of your screen. By doing this, you will be successfully able to share photos and files using Google Drive to other people. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.